Let's start facing the right here in overhand with both poi, and sweep back, come into underhand, sweep up and over, come into overhand, sweep back, come into underhand, sweep up to pinwheel, so halfway turn, together time pinwheel, come down on the right in overhand, sweep back again, stall your right poi, stall your left poi. So now they'll both be in overhand in theory. We're gonna sweep back, we're underhand on the right, sweep up and over, sweep back again, sweep up and over again, sweep back a third time. Now this time, halfway turn, come up to together time pinwheel, and then we're gonna come down on the left, sweep back again, sweep up to the together time pinwheel again, split the time, go back to together time, come down on the left, go into your overhand weave, and while you're here, try and explore moving it down, and moving it up, and moving it down, and moving it up, and back to normal. And then open it up to circles, sweep back again, and we're gonna come up to pinwheel again, split the time, and now plane shift the pinwheel, let it fall down, let it fall down. So now you want it to be in your corkscrew. We're coming into the counterclockwise corkscrew. Now turn to the left, come all the way around, and then go back to together time, bring it down and tap it on your left hip, come up into the clockwise one, so the left hand leads, and we're turning now to the right. We'll come all the way around to the right, and relax into your body. And now plane shift this up, try and stand it up, stand it up, stand it up, stand it up, get it up tall, and then come down on the right into overhand circles, sweep back again, and come up over the top again, and sweep back again, come up to the pinwheel now, and now split the time, and then come down on the right in overhand. Now chase the sun clockwise, 2, 3, and now fourth time around. Come down into overhand on the right-hand side, back to overhand weave. And we're gonna open up the weave, come into the circles. Now I want you to stall your right poi. So your right poi is now underhand, your left poi is overhand. Take your right poi, bring it into the overhand butterfly on the front plane, and take out left, and take out right, and take out left, and take out right. Now we're gonna go up. Left goes up, and right goes up, and left goes up, and right goes up. And now they both go up, they both go up, they both go up. And now we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, and big on 4, and 3, 2, 1, and big on 4, and 3, 2, 1, and big on 4, and 3, 2, 1, big on 4, double stall out, come into underhand butterfly, and take out left and back in, and right and back in, and left and back in, and right and back in. Now go up left, and go up right, and go up left, and up right, and then up and down, and up and down, up and down. And now 1, 2, 3, and big, and 1, 2, 3, and big again, and 1, 2, 3, big again, and 1, 2, 3, big, and then drop stall, so the 2 poi come to a stop. Now we're gonna come into the counterclockwise corkscrew, and then going to sync it up into together time, and then we're gonna tap, and up and over and down and tap, and up and over and down and tap and step, and up and over and down and tap and step. Now we're gonna turn, so as you come up, over, down, tap, and up, turn, over, down, tap, up over your head, turning, coming down, and tap, and then one more time to the right, and now we're gonna add a little jump as we go across, and add a little jump as you go across the other way, and add a little jump as you go across, and one more time to the right, and then we're gonna come up into the counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift that up into the pinwheel again, and then sync it up in together time, and we'll go big, 1, and 2, and 3. Now come down, both poi, kick, and stall to the right. And then you're gonna come up into the clockwise pinwheel here in together time. Now we'll do it on this side. So we'll go 3, and 2, and 1, down and stall, kick on the left, change direction, and 3, and 2, and 1, down and stall, and 3, and 2, and 1, and come down and kick and stall, and back up, split the time, and If you've got that split time version of the big, let's go big, back to small. And big, back to small. Big, back to small. Come down on the left, into circles, sweep back, come up and over, come into overhand weave, and then sweep back, come into underhand. Now we're gonna wrap the poi up here from underhand, and it's short poi now, and then bring it into your buzzsaw. And here we go, we're gonna tap on the back, tap, tap, into overhand buzzsaw. And then tap on the butt, tap, tap, into underhand buzzsaw. And tap, tap, into overhand buzzsaw. And then one more time, tap, tap, into underhand buzzsaw. And then last time on your back, tap, tap, tap. Now we're in overhand, release the poi, come to the outside plane, go into together time circles. We're overhand here, sweep back, sweep up and over. Now chase the sun clockwise, chase the sun, chase the sun, chase the sun. Now come around on the right, come into overhand, spread your legs, double stall, come out underhand. Now we'll do counterclockwise, chase the sun, and chase the sun, chase the sun, and come down into overhand on the left. And now go into your overhand circles, and then open it up, and stall your left poi. So your left is underhand, your right is overhand. You're in opposite direction facing the left-hand side here. We're gonna flip the left poi into the butterfly on the front. Now we'll take the right poi out, hold it there. Turn 180 degrees. You'll be underhand of facing away from me. Figure 8 with your left hand. Back to here, we're gonna overhand butterfly here. We're gonna take the right, this is not the direction we did this in last time. Last time we did this from underhand on the front. So if we're overhand here, when you turn 180 degrees, you'll be underhand here, and then when you turn back, you'll be back to overhand. So we'll do a take out to the right. You're gonna turn your body, turn your body, turn your body, and then flip your left poi into underhand on the back wall. So facing away from me, you shouldn't be able to see me. Then you're gonna flip your right hand out again, do a figure 8, and then turn, 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 come into overhand butterfly. And now we're gonna go the other way. We'll turn to the left, take your left one out, turn your body, turn your body, turn your body, take your right poi, flip it, so you're in underhand butterfly on the back wall again, and then flip your left poi out, and turn, and turn, and come back to the front wall into overhand butterfly. So let's do a right turn again, flip the right one out, turn your body, flip your left poi in, so you're underhand butterfly on the back wall, flip your right one out, flip your right one out, and turn your body, and come into overhand butterfly on the front again. Now we'll do another left turn, flip your left poi out, and then turn your body, and then take your right poi, flip it into underhand on the back, and then flip your left poi in from the, yes, and then flip your right poi in. And then we're back to overhand. Now I want you to move to the right in your room, and we're gonna do this as a traversing turn, which we haven't done before, but this is gonna be fun. So you're gonna take your left poi out and turn your body halfway, so you're facing this side. Now I want you to step your right foot forward. So you've moved in your room. If this is north, you've moved to the west in your room. And then you're gonna turn away from me as you flip your right poi into underhand butterfly, facing the back wall. Now we're gonna take the left poi out again and turn halfway, so you're facing the east side of your room. I'm not really, but you know what I mean. Then step your left foot back, turn to the left, to the front, and flip your right poi in. So if I did that slightly faster, this is what it would look like. Flip, turn, step, flip, turn, step, flip, turn, step. Right, so we moved 2 steps to the left. Now we're gonna move to the right. So you flip your right poi out, turn to the right, step your left foot forward. Then we're gonna turn toward the back wall as we flip the left poi into the underhand butterfly facing the back. And then flip your right poi out again, step your right foot back, and you're gonna turn to the front and come back into overhand. So let's repeat this. Take the left poi out, turn to the left, step your right foot forward. We're gonna turn to the left again, flip the right poi into underhand butterfly. Take your left poi out, turn to the left, step your left foot back, and flip your right poi in as you turn to the front. Now we'll turn to the right again. Flip your right poi out, turn right, step left, take your left poi, flip it into underhand butterfly away from me on your back wall. Flip your right poi out behind you, turn right, step your right foot back, and then flip your left poi into overhand butterfly on the front. Let's go back to the left again. Left comes out, turn left, step right, flip your right poi into underhand butterfly, turn left again, left foot steps back, and flip your right poi over to the overhand butterfly. Now flip your right poi out again, turn right, step left, flip your left poi to the back wall. Oh, you just got there faster than me. Good job. This is what I was doing. I was turning, stepping one foot forward, and then turning and stepping the other foot back. That's what allows you to traverse. What you were doing was this, where you were stepping the same foot forward on both turns, which basically keeps you in the same place. So what we've done here is we've distinguished how to do this turn in place like this versus how to do this turn where you traverse. So when you're traversing, you alternate one foot forward, then one foot back. And then in your practice space at the gym, which I know is bigger, what I encourage you to try and do is practice doing 2 or 3 360s depending on how long the space is. So if I did a couple of different, like 2 or 3 here, I'll be able to do at least 2. It would look like this. I turn, step left, come into my underhand, turn, step my right foot back, turn, step my left foot forward, turn, step my right foot back, turn, step my left foot forward, turn, step my right foot back. Or if you're going to the left, it would be turn, step your right foot forward, then turn, step your left foot back, turn, step your right foot forward, turn, step your left foot back. Just so that you are clear on the footwork, let's just do the footwork. Let's traverse a couple times without the poi, because we will use this footwork in other contexts later too. So just without the poi, if you're here on the right side of the room, you turn, step right forward, turn, step left back, turn, step right forward, turn, step left back. And then we'll go to the right now. So turn, step your left forward, turn, step your right back, turn, step your left forward, turn, step your right back.